or production, whatever you want. All the things of WebLogic, everything is available in that Java Cloud Service. This is just a overview or just a diagram of JCS. I don't want to spend more time on it. It is similar to WebLogic. You can, in a JCS instance, means JCS VM, Java Cloud Service VM. You can have multiple WebLogic instances, an admin server, multiple WebLogic, multiple components, traffic director is the Oracle product of the firewall plus proxy. It is the combination of proxy and firewall, and it is you can say certified with the WebLogic. This is just a workflow to how to create JCS, but as it is discontinued, not available, so I am skipping this. So, quiz. If you would like to answer, then you are more than welcome. Hello, guys.
Yes, Hussein.
Yes, there is a quiz. If you would like to answer, then I will be more than happy.
Let's read through and see.
Yes, Node Manager. Multiple statements can be true.
Okay, I'll go first. I think
you can just name one. So
okay.
it's fine.
I think the first one, the first statement is one of those true statements about a node manager.
Yes, you are right. Anyone other?
Edwina, you can come next.
I also think A is.
I've said you can add on any other.
You can write on the chat if you.
I will go with A and B.
Yes, good. One more.
Glenn?
I think C as well.
No. Try again.
I don't think D is right. I think it's A, B. I think that's all. Those are true
D also.
D.
Yeah, D also.
D also. It can be used to migrate servers on a failed machine onto another machine. Well, no worries. You people did well. AB is right, and C is wrong. Just because it can't be used to submit the remote command to WebLogic. It is used to control the managed servers like start, stop. It monitors on the field because B is also connected with the C. It can monitor, restart the failed server. It used to migrate servers on failed machine to another machine. So any kind of failure detection or related to kind of the failure things, error, it is related to the node manager. Okay. Try this.
Okay, I'll go with the B.
1.
Yes, good. Any
I
other?
go with B. B also.
Yes, B. Any other? Yes.
Glenn, you have finished?
Yes.
Yeah, it's only B.
Yes.
Okay.
It's B. You should have at least minimum one administration server, because it is for the control. If you don't have, so you can't control. But for the managed server, we have seen that we can have a zero managed server. It is not required, but it is recommended. You can have your production workload on managed servers, because managed servers are meant for this. Okay, so quick summary. If you have any questions, so you are welcome.
Yes, I do. I have a question.
Yes.
First, go back to the last question.
Hmm.
The previous slide, yes. The question says, what is the minimum number of administrative servers? Are you saying that we can have more than one admin servers?
No, no.
Okay.
This question is just a tricky question. A minimum does not means you can have any max number. So just a tricky question. They deliberately use the minimum term, but we can have only one, not zero, not two, nothing. We can have zero or more managed server, but control or the administrative server should be one in our domain.
Okay. I have another question from
Yes, please.
your
Please.
presentation.
Yeah, please, please.
In the representation that you used to show the WebLogic, I don't know if we can get back there, the very first diagram just before WebLogic Server administrative tools. That
Yes.
one. Just before that, the diagram before that. That one.
Mm.
You explained that I want to think that AJB application is just any application that you chose to call AJB. It can be any application. And if it's not, I would like to know what that stands for. Then,
This is
Enterprise Java
tricky.
beans.
Yeah, this is tricky part for you, because we as an administrator, we don't know EGB applications, because these are not a web applications. These are called as a modules. You can talk about or say that as a application library or module. This is this resides in WebLogic as a supporter to the web applications. So EJB applications are created in also Java, but these directly does not talk to the client. So they talk to the web applications. Just you can see the flow. Number one, user talk to web application talk to EJB application. EJB application contains several kind of modules, database connectivity modules, business logic, your UI, your fancy UI, your themes, your business logic, how you would like to use any kind of parameters for the web application. So these kind of things we use in a EJB application. Just like of separate libraries in Windows, we have DLL's dynamic link library, and in Linux we have other dynamic link libraries which have extension .so file. So these kind of things called EJB in WebLogic server, and these modules or these libraries talk to other applications like message queuing and other applications. So these actually help to interact or integrate with other applications, other systems. We as an administrator, we don't have much things to do with